Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Ram Invent Tech. In this video, we are going to make a smart door lock system using an RFID module. Before going into the project, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get into the video.
Innovate, inspire, in impact.
Required components for this project: Arduino Nano board, LCD display, RFID module, servo motor, LED lights, one buzzer, breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is the full circuit diagram. I am simply following this connection diagram. And I also mentioned all the connections in the below image for easy to understanding. Here I am using a capacitor to provide stable voltage to all the components. And this is a female DC jack. I am connecting it to the breadboard to supply the power. Now it's time to upload the code. First, open the Arduino IDE software. This code is used to find the unique ID numbers of the RFID cards. Go to the tool option, select the board as an Arduino Nano, and then select the correct COM port. After that, click on Upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, open the serial monitor from the top right corner. You can see here, when I place the RFID card on the module, it detects and displays the UID number of the card. Now I am continuing the same process to find the UID numbers of the all RFID cards. After collecting all the unique IDs, I created the final code and also assigned the names for that cards. These are the buzzer and LED pins. And this one is the servo motor pin. Next, these are the required libraries. Before uploading the main code, we need to install these libraries. Simply copy the library name and paste it into the library manager search bar. As you can see here, I already installed these libraries. Then again go to the tool option, select the board Arduino Nano, choose the correct COM port, and then click on Upload the code. Now I am testing the RFID cards to check which card having the access. Here I have two options for power supply. I am choosing the 6 volts adapter to power the project. Before giving the power, carefully check the all connections. Here I am holding some RFID cards. Some cards having access and some cards don't have the access. Now let's test the cards. See, this card doesn't have an access. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you like this project, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Ram Invented Tech for more amazing projects like this. Thanks for watching.